नहीं है ना। Good morning, friends. Hi, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the philosophy of accident prevention. What is the philosophy of accidents? How to control measures and how to reduce them at workplace and any organization. So, guys, this is a very important uh, topic, very useful to save the human life, save your property at your workplace. Because of this is a very good things and positives for maintain a good health safety cultures in your organization. So first, what is the philosophy of accidents? You know that accident is a very harmful to or um, um, very dangerous to occurrence and persons facing the lot of problem after accident. You already aware about those things. What is the accidents is there mentioned if any unaccepted and unplanned event and occurrence at your workplace due to consequences of hazards and risk that call accidents. Because of this is a unexpected and unplanned event happens that call accidents. A there is a gap between the between the between the hazards and risk. So this is very important for you. Unaccepted and unplanned event occurrence at your workplace and any locations that call accidents. So type of accidents, how many types of accidents is there mentioned? So you know that if you are working a safety professionals positions, then already you are aware those things. Two type of accidents is there mentioned. First is reportable accident. Second thing is a non-reportable accidents. Reportable accidents means if any accident occurs at your workplace, you are going to inform to government body, you are going to inform to insurance policy, mediclaim for mediclaim purpose. You are going to inform it to police stations, fire stations, electricity, so that all are reportable accidents. Due to there is happen some major accidents, measures and maybe disability, and persons further admitted in hospitals due to accidents. So guys, that call reportable accident, and every report and after the investigations and accident report will be submitted to government's body that call reportable accident. Non-reportable accidents means you have observed that some incidents, some accidents at your workplace due to no any majors injury, or maybe you are reported your internal basis like your HR department, your project manager, director, and every employer, those people working in your organizations, all are aware, all are informed. That call non-reportable accidents means there is indicate to there is no any major injury and part of any part of human body, and no any major part of property damage. So only for this is a internal reporting systems is there mentioned. So that called non-reportable accidents. If anyone asks to you how many accidents happen at your workplace which are reportable. So then you can say that one reportable accidents happen due to that types of accidents happen, and everyone's aware and informed. So you know that if any workers and any victims 24 within the 24 hours and 48 hours after injured, they cannot come, they will not return to work, that call accidents and reportable accidents. So that types of accidents happens, then must be informed to labor office and our as per legal BOCW as per talk. So guys, this is a type of accidents. After the definitions of, you know that if you are going to, we are discuss about the philosophy of accidents, philosophy of accident prevent. So we have to know that we should know that hazards and safety and risk. What is the safety? Safety is a freedom from condition. Safety is a freedom from the hazards and give you freedom from hazards and injury, ill health. That called safety. Safety is a condition and situations which are give you freedom from hazards and freedom from injury and ill health. That called safety. So what is the hazards? Hazards which are potentials to cause harm, that called hazards. So this is a simple. Simples. If anyone asks, that can say we can say what is anything which are potentials to cause harm, that called hazards. Because many people's confusion due to confusion to talk hazards definitions, because of there are many types of hazard definition is there. Only we can say on simple basis that time. Risk. What is the risk? Risk is a mathematical calculations. You know that risk is there are three types of divided: low and high and moderate. So that depend on the probability and severity, that called risk. So guys, if anyone maybe ask, then you can say that types of definitions, because of there are many types of definition is there mentioned in every book. So how to explain them and how to deliver that types of definition. So guys, let us we are going to discuss about the philosophy of accidents prevent. So guys, second thing we are going to discuss about the Henry's theory. You know that what is the Henry's theory? Henry's theory talk about the accidents theory. How many accidents happen? How to accidents happens? There is a triangles of non-injury. If in case of 300 near misses, 300 observations you have observed that, then you have to next as 29th injury may be happen, and 100% if you have observed 300 none of near misses and none injury observations, then 29th injury must be happens, and 29th and 1 fatal maybe accidents happen. So guys, this is a theory. Henry's theory talk about the accidents theory. If you are a safety professional, then you must know that Henry's theory. Henry's theory is he is one engineer from UK. He is delivered. He is investigated. He was investigated approx 75,000 of accident investigations. Then he got the 88% accidents happen due to lack of negligence. Means you can say that accident unsafe act means 88% only for, or they died due to self mistake, due to itself mistake, mistakes, and unsafe act, and 10% accidents happens due to unsafe conditions. Maybe someone's open the shop, someone open the floor, another persons go that area and fall down, means unsafe condition. And 2% accidents only for happen due to non possibility, that may be called God gifted. So you know that there is data is very um, very fantastic, very desires, and to how many people died due to lack of negligence, due to lack of awareness, means unsafe act, unsafe conditions. So in India, in our entire country, you know that type of theory very useful to identify the risk and hazards and behaviors of human people. Then we can control it, because of 88% death data. Persons die on yearly basis, daily basis, due to that types of behavior. So we are talking about fundamental of safety. What is the fundamental of safety? We are going to enforce a good safety health cultures at your workplace. First is we are going to discuss about the positive mindset. What is the positive framework and mindset if you are going to develop a good health safety culture? Everyone should know that, and think positively, and mind and take in minds and keep in mind, safety is a responsibility to everyone, not only alone. No anyone's go to alone safety. So everyone's responsible for safety, and keep in mind you are also responsible. If you are going to work, then you are responsible. So many organizations, you know that, put a safety glasses, safety mirrors glass, because of some persons who go through mirrors, and they can understood, if you are seeing that glass, then who is safety responsible, and then in front of mirrors view, you are responsible for that. Only for you are responsible for safety, no anyone responsible, means everyone take responsibility, everyone contribute the safety responsibility at your workplace. Second thing, HERA is a part of human life. You know that risk assessment, hazard identifications, risk assessment, you can understood that, understood that, and understood that HERA is a part of human lives, because of if you are going to risk assessment, measures things and concept is clear too, you are going to save others human lives at your workplace. So be careful. Risk assessment must be carefully identify and take safety measures as per required, and adequate safety measures should be done, and adequate supervisions on workplace. This is a thing in mind if you are going to maintain good health safety cultures and accident preventions. This is very useful to you. If you are know that many organizations make a HERA and copy paste in others project, there is many organizations paste copy and formulated. There is HERA complete, but you know that there what happened, what is write down on paper. So this is very useful. If you are working as safety professionals, must be know and must be considered, and improvements, that types of implementation. Ensuring integrated head of OHS requirement and planning. Ensuring integrations of EHS requirement and planning stage. So guys, know that if you are going to start the activity, start the project, there is kick-off meeting. Kick-off meetings means they are share the requirements, how to planning of safety, how to planning to improvements, what is your planning to equipments, what is your planning of emergency preparedness response plan. So there are many types of plannings must be considered, must be focused before going to start the work. Planning is a very important part of achievements that target, because of you have no plans, then you cannot expectations to achieve the good and targets, good targets. So guys, planning is a very important part. Make a good plans for good health safety cultures. How to develop a good health safety cultures at your workplace? There are many types of formulations. So like you can understood that accidents do not just happen. You know that accidents not happens because of this is a cause of root cause. Accident automatically not happens, but there is something is gap, something is negligence that maybe happen accidents. You know that major part of root cause. Without root cause accidents nothing happen at your workplace and any entire country. This is happen only for someone root cause. So guys, root cause identify and take proper actions, prevent actions, and long term and short term. All must be believe that everyone believe that accidents nothing happens without any root cause. So focus on root cause. If you are observing, if you are going to some accidents happen, then properly investigations of accidents and improvements that. After that, OHS management system principle prevent and unsafe act conditions. You know that if you are going to start the improvements, if you are going to prevent philosophy of accidents prevent, then must be considered OHS management principally prevent the unsafe act and condition. How to make a good plan, how to prevent the unsafe act and conditions at your organization, at your workplace. So guys, this is very important for you to implementations. Next is their role and responsibility system. This is also prevent of accidents accidents philosophy, because there is a main part of a major part of responsibility to everyone. Safety is responsibility to everyone, not single person, including the managing director, including general manager, CEO, project manager, senior. Means three level category of types: middle and lower, middle and top level. All are responsible for safety. All are responsible for how to improvements that. Not only for safety managers and safety supervisors. So all are responsible for improvement safety. If you are going to prevent of accidents, then must be responsibility delivered to everyone. Like the you know that if you are working a safety professional, then also deliver them and with signage copy of everyone. Because of this is a written formulation. If you are going to taking responsibility on written, they can understood that how to develop and what is the gap. If any mistakes happens, then penalized by the organization. So responsibility is delivered to everyone: supervisor, security guard, scaffolder. Everyone is responsible and take in return what is the safety responsibility. So and focus on trainings. Trainings, risk assessment. Everyone's aware about the trainings assessment. Create a good safety health cultures among the workers, among the employer, involvement of workers and supervisors for maintain a good health safety culture. Cultures, inspections of all tools, stackers and lifting equipments and lifting equipments. Make a good planning, safety committee trainings meetings and emergency mock drill. That are types of which are you already aware those things. Second thing, if any lapses of safety at your workplace, then immediate compliance must be done and take immediate actions if possible to who make a penalized system, make a safety violations and clauses, so that can understood to improvement health safety and prevent the accident. Next is there mention philosophy of accidents. Why are to prevent accidents? Why we are going to prevent of accidents due to who some reason is there mentioned. First is the legal responsibility. Second is their moral responsibility. Third is the loss of production, and fourth is avoid bad publicity and economic losses. There are, if you are going to prevent of accidents, then you have to benefit. You should benefit that types of that types of responsibility. So guys, legal responsibility is a major responsibility to everyone. So you know that legal responsibility means government instructions given. Government make a act as per articles 37 and 38. You know the Indian Penal Code, and after that there is many act is there mentions BOCW, Factory Act and other things, and there is also penalized system is there mentioned. So this is a legal responsibility to everyone to take a safety measures because of human life is very important in our earth. Second thing, moral responsibility is very emotional responsibility. Suppose that one servant earns working in your house, then this is a moral responsibility to, if in case of any problems, in case of any financial issues, then as a familiars they can help to you. This is also same apply to all entire projects. If you are working, if you are a employer, then also think familiars to improve familiars because of workers working in your organization. This is first responsibility to who take care and help them which are required to need and expectations and other things. So second thing is there mentions loss of productions. If you are not prevent of accidents, that may be loss of loss of productions. Avoid the bad publicity. If you are not going to prevent accidents, there may be that may be bad publicity because of, you know that some organizations, some company, some accidents happen in an organizations that there are publicity, there are bad impressions in market because of every clients aware about the accidents, and everyone's fear to who delivers tenders and not getting in tenders in market. So